Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hub. Today we will be finding a polynomial that satisfies the following conditions. The degree should be equal to 3, the roots should be equal to 1, 2, and minus 3, and the function f of x, basically f of 6, should be equal to 5. Now let's get into it. So the first thing we should do is write down an equation that would satisfy the roots and the degrees. So that equation will look like f of x is equals to x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x plus 3. Does this satisfy the roots of 1, 2, and minus 3? Yes, it does. And we can prove that by putting f of x is equals to 0. So we can solve that, but 0 is equals to x minus 1, x minus 2, and x plus 3. This would give us x is equals to 1, x is equals to 2, and x is equals to minus 3. Now that we know that this function has these roots, now we need to figure out, does it have a degree of 3? And yes, it does, because we know that we can find the degree by adding up the highest degree of each term, which is 1 here, 1 here, and a 1 here. So for the degree, 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 3. So this condition is satisfied as well. So we have a polynomial that satisfies a degree of 3 and roots of 1, 2, and minus 3. The last thing is that we need to find a polynomial that satisfies the function f of x is equals to 5. To do that, we can just add a constant in to our function. So f of x is equals to a times x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x plus 3. And in the question we've been given that f of 6 should equal to 5. So now we can just plug in these values into this function. So 5 is equals to a times 6 minus 1, 6 minus 2, 6 plus 3. Then we can just simplify this further. 5 times 4 times 9. This gives us 5 is equals to a times 5 times 4 is 20, 20 times 9 is 180. That would give us a is equals to 5 over 180. Now that we have this, we can simply plug our a back right here, substituting a into our function, and our final answer should be f of x is equals to 5 over 180 times x minus 1, x minus 2 times x plus 3, and that's our answer. So to see if our answer is correct and does this function satisfy f of x equals to 5, we can simply plug this in and see if we get the right answer. So if you plug f of x is equals to 5 over 180, and if you plug 6 into our function, does this give us a 5? So 6 minus 1, 6 minus 2, 6 plus 3. If you solve this, we get f of x is equals to 5 over 180 times 180, which cancels out. That means f of x equals to 5, which satisfies this. So our answer is correct. Thank you for joining us. I hope to see you in the next lesson.